I'm late, sir.
Do you want anything else?
I need you to just leave.
Okay.
You dismiss it. You
That's
dismiss
fine.
too. What's your name?
So I'm just out here doing my night shift. Same thing I do every day for the past 4 years. Park my car close because last time someone broke into it when I left it outside. I'm loading my gear, minding my own business. And next thing, flashing lights, cops pulling up asking for ID like I'm up to something.
How you?
Good. This is a weird way to park.
I'm working, man. I work
okay.
here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. What's your
You
name?
have an ID with you, or?
Got a name and badge number?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your name and badge number?
Dan Padilla and badge number 541.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, cool.
So
You have an ID with you?
what do I need an ID for? I
I want to make sure that you work here.
you gonna call my boss?
What's that? Oh, yeah.
I'm a janitor.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen you janitor in here. That's why I'm asking.
I've been working here for 4 years, sir.
Oh, really?
So I mean, you must be new. This is a new route or something?
No, it's not a new route.
Well, I mean, I work here 7 days a week.
Okay.
Same time every night.
All right. I've never seen you janitor in here, and I
Yeah.
work here every night, also during the week.
It's all good, but yeah, I work here, sir.
Cool. Do you have your ID with you?
What do I need ID for?
Because I want to make sure that you are you, and this is a weird way to park. So that's why I'm here.
I clean here at night. I'm the only one here. You know why I park right here like this? Because my car done got bipped outside before. I got vacuums. I can't get my shit bipped like this. I park right here so I can hear and know what's going on, be alert.
Okay.
But I'm trying to figure out the car up.
Okay.
And you asked me for ID. You pulled up on me. I'm not. I mean, did the alarm go off or something?
This is a weird way to park.
But this is our property. It's our property. We work here.
I understand that. Do you have a business card that
I don't
has
have
your name on it?
I can tell you my name, sir, but I don't have no ID for you. You asked me.
That's fine. Yeah, I want to make sure that you are you.
But I'm just saying, what do I need to show ID for? Can I have your business card?
To you. Places like this get broken into all the time.
Can I have your business card, sir?
I don't have a business card, but I gave you my name and I gave you my badge number. Did I not? You asked for it. I gave it to you. What's your last name, sir?
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Go for it.
What am I doing wrong? Have I committed a crime?
No, but
am I under suspicion for something?
This is rather suspicious.
I'll work it. You want me? Well, can I get out the car and unlock the door for you and shut the alarm down?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, let me do that. Can I do that?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm not gonna get shot, right?
No.
Okay, yeah. But can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Meredith 656.
Say it again.
Meredith 656.
Okay. Let me show you my You unlock the door for you, man.
What was your name again?
Awesome.
Y'all got a key too, right?
No, I don't have a key actually. Yeah. Can I still get your name? Is that
What do you need that for, sir? I'm trying to work here. What do you need my
I'm
name
here
for?
talking to you.
But I
Okay. Have it your way. That's fine. I was here checking on your business.
But the alarm didn't go off. What are you checking on me
You
for?
work here. I'm just making sure that you're.
Like I told him, sir. Like I told him, the reason I've been working here for 4 years. The only reason why I park right here is because my shit done got bit outside the thing. He hit the corner, seen me load my car up, and then come ask me for ID. Ran up on me. First of all, he put the lights on me as if I was committing some kind of crime. I work here. I just let y'all in here.
My headlights are on. I drive with them on.
But you put them in my face. That's the only reason why I put the light back on your ass, because you put them. I'm sitting in my car. You just see me. I see you at the light.
Sir, it's a closed business, right?
I've been working here for 4 years, sir.
And I never seen you.
You ain't. Well, I ain't never seen you.
Okay, and that's fine.
So how's it? Okay, well, why you need my ID then? Show me your ID? I'm still waiting on your car.
I gave you my name.
Give me your car. You're supposed to supply a car. I'm just trying to figure out why I need to show my name and my ID for something that I'm not doing nothing.
You don't want to give me your name? That's fine.
You know I don't have to show you my name. That's the cold part about my rights. Why would I forfeit my rights for nothing? I'm over here working. I'm doing my job. You making me late for my next job.
I'm not taking anybody's rights.
I'm late, sir.
Do you want anything else?
I need you to just leave.
Okay.
You dismiss it. You
That's
dismiss
fine.
too. What's your name again,
That's
sir?
fine.
Meredith.
Y'all both dismissed.
Yeah. You're not dismissing me. I'm good. Take care.
You leaving.
All right.
All right, y'all. Toodaloo. Fucking tyrants.
At the end, I told them straight I'm working. I've got a job to do, and I'm not here for drama. Just because you've never seen me doesn't mean I don't belong. I know my rights. I kept it cool, did my job, and bounced. Another night, another shift, just trying to make it home in peace. Here is another case. He stood near the sidewalk, phone in hand, checking emails under the shade of his cap. The day was warm, quiet, just another moment in a busy life. Then, a friendly voice approached. How you doing? A quick chat turned into questions. Before he knew it, things began to shift. The peaceful moment was gone, replaced by flashing lights and suspicion.
Doing good. How are you doing? How you doing?
You videoing me?
I am now, yeah.
Nothing wrong with videoing. Can I ask what you was doing over there? Was
No.
you taking pictures?
No. Can't ask.
I need to take your hands out of your pockets for me.
Oh, am I a
You have to do
suspect?
that. You have to do that.
Are you detaining me or am I free to go?
wanna
You're
get out
wasting
of
my
here.
time.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. How are you? What's your badge number?
404.
Your name?
Okay, I need ID from you now.
Based on what?
I
First
need
answer
ID
me
from
one
you now.
question. Am I being detained or am I free to go? If you tell me I'm being detained, I'll give you ID. If I'm not, then I'm going to leave.
You're not leaving.
Okay. So, am I being detained?
Let me
For
see ID.
suspicion to see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are being detained
For-
for suspicious of terrorist activity for taking pictures of a public police department.
I didn't take
this
it.
You were standing there either surveilling. You were either surveilling. Okay, look. I'm former
When was
military.
this?
I've done it myself.
What is this?
Okay, right over here.
So you're
do you
telling me
have-
I'm
do you-
being suspected of terrorist, what now?
Yes, sir. For surveillance. Okay, at this particular
Based
point.
on what proof?
Based on this point, you were standing there.
You're harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
I was
I'm
reading my emails of jobs I just applied for.
with it this close to your face.
It's pretty bright out here.
This close to your face.
Have you developed an iPhone? Have you developed a phone that's brighter than this screen? Because I haven't. I was reading my emails and then you started harassing me.
Okay. That close to your face?
Yeah.
Really? I mean, that's.
This is as bright as my screen gets. Can you see it right now?
Yeah,
'Cause
I see it, but
could you read?
But you had it turned sideways up this close.
Yeah,
Right here.
it's
Right here. Okay,
yes.
go ahead and get a picture
Just
of
like this.
Get a picture of this. You had it
I don't.
this close. Make sure you said you had it this close. So I want you to make sure you understand that whoever you show that to, this is how close you had it. They're not going to believe you're reading your emails. I don't believe you're
So
reading
you
your
don't believe I was using my sun visor or my hat as a sun visor to read my emails?
No, sir, I don't believe that.
Because of your behavior now, no, we
Now,
don't
that may be what you want to tell us, but you know darn good
Well, you came over here
if we
harassing me.
If we had 10 people, probably 7 out of those 10 probably wouldn't believe it. You know that, correct?
Okay, so you're saying I have video or
We
pictures
have
of the
asked for
police?
your identification.
Hold
You
on.
didn't tell us.
I'm just
You're
conf-
on video.
hold on.
You said if you told me I was being detained, I would give you my ID. Now, are you not
What
going
crime?
to do that?
So you're actually suspecting me of a
you-
crime.
no,
What
sir.
crime?
I
know my rights.
Stop. Yes.
This ain't a Terry stop. So you've either believed that I've committed a crime, am committed a crime, or about to commit a
about
crime.
to. That's correct.
I'm
Based
familiar
on
with
what you
Terry.
did.
I'm familiar with Terry versus Ohio. Are
I
you?
understand. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am too. So,
So
basically,
now that we have done that,
no, you're
this is
detaining
not the
me.
place to have an
Okay,
argument, so I
charge
feel like
me.
give us the
Charge
ID.
me. Charge
Give us
me.
your ID,
Charge
so
me
then
then.
have you done
Charge me
anything
with the crime.
disorderly yet?
I want a lawyer. You're detaining me. I want a lawyer.
we do have the authority to ask you for the identification. You yourself said, "Tell me I'm being detained, and I will give you my ID."
Well, I
So
believe
now
you're harassing
refusing
me.
to do that.
I
Now you're
don't
saying- Now
understand.
you're going back on your own word. Now
Being
you're going back
detained
on
and
your own
arrested
word.
is two different things.
That's right.
No, I understand
Being detained
detained.
and arrested
I understand
is
detained. I want a lawyer. If you're detaining me, then I want a lawyer.
Okay. Have we had to advise you of your rights for any crime that you
I
have
want a
committed?
lawyer. I won't be answering any more questions. I told you I was reading an email. You're saying I took videos or pictures. You're saying I took video pictures.
No, sir.
So bring it to court.
Play it back. I didn't say that.
Okay, what do you say? Let's start over.
Binoculars or something you were holding to your face.
Yes.
I might have binoculars or
That's what
something.
we were
What do
trying
you
to
What
figure
do you think I had holding to my face now? Binoculars or an iPhone?
You had that iPhone up close to your face.
Bingo.
But see, here's the funny thing. You're obviously prepared to be detained by police officers, or else you wouldn't be running around with your iPhone on video record all the time.
As soon as he
you're
said-
trying to bait something.
You'll get to see the video on YouTube eventually one day. But as soon as he said hi to me, I hit record.
So you were obviously prepared to do that.
I'd like not to be harassed. I'd like for you to respect my rights.
And I know, and I am respecting your rights.
Okay, and that's all I wanted, my rights to be respected.
What you haven't
But
seen
you
to do-
told me I'm being detained, and you don't have reason to detain me.
Yes,
You have
we
no
do. Based
suspicion.
Based on the fact, look,
It's not illegal to take
No,
pictures.
it's not illegal to take pictures, but let's put it this way: if you were a photographer and you were going from building to building taking photos of, say, architectural type items, that would be unsuspicious because you would be a known photographer taking photos of architectural type buildings.
So it's
But
not
what we
sus-
have now is you over here on state property taking photos of a police department, which we all know after 9/11, that's preferred method of any terrorist is to surveil the buildings that they might want to hit. Now,
Is this because I have a really sweet beard?
No,
You're
we couldn't tell
So
what
you're
you-
profiling?
No, we couldn't tell what you had. All I know is you had something here, and you were standing there for quite a while staring at the building.
So you couldn't see 8 inches of beard from over there, but you could
No,
see
not
something
from
in
over
my
there.
hand.
I saw, we saw this. And what we couldn't see was the rest of your face from here. We saw your hands doing this.
You're wasting your time, because if you're going to arrest me, you'd arrest me already, because I haven't committed any crime.
That's right.
I'm a
That's
private
right.
citizen
We
of the
have-
United States.
We haven't
The
established.
First
that you
Amendment
have
would
committed
protect
any
me if
crime.
I was taking pictures or photographs.
Well, we haven't established that you had committed any crime, so therefore we wouldn't arrest you.
If you haven't
But based
established,
on
do
a
you believe
Terry
I've committed?
stop.
No, this isn't a Terry stop. A Terry stop provides that you believe that I've committed, I'm about to commit, or I'm going to commit. What do you believe that I've committed, about to commit, or I'm going to commit?
How about to commit?
Oh, you said how about? Well, you're going to.
About to commit based upon you taking photos of this building. The building's been
Is
shot
that-
by people before. So as a police officer, I don't have a right to be in fear of possible persons who might be surveilling the place where I work.
People
planning
been-
a hit on it.
That's hilarious.
Is it hilarious?
Well, can
Is
you
it
articulate? Are you going to be able to articulate this in court? You're harassing me.
Targeted by persons.
So citizens have been
So what you're
targeted.
saying is-
So-
you're saying it's not okay. So it's perfectly okay for you and anybody else as a citizen to do things like that, put us in fear, but it's not okay.
You
for
were
us
in
to come
fear?
over here. Yeah, I was.
Fear of
I
what?
had- Look, why do I wear this vest?
I'm afraid you're about to violate my rights.
Why do I wear this vest? Why do I wear a vest?
You just swear oath to protect the Constitution?
Yes.
Did you? Okay. Well, so did I. When I served in the military, so did I.
So did I.
So actually, does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Does it matter?
I was
What unit were you in?
I was here
Well,
at Fort Campbell Rockson. I also served in Berlin Brigade while the wall was up. I was there when the wall came down.
That's beautiful.
Made a huge amount of
Man, I bet the Germans wish they had the same rights as us. If this was Nazi Germany, you would already beat me down and took my ID card, huh?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay,
Because
are
even
we
as a
done here?
military member, I saw
Cause-
opponents I do that, and it wasn't something.
We
about-
both know we're wasting each other's time here.
Maybe.
You have a good day, officer.
You have a good day too.
Be safe. What was your name? I didn't get your name, badge number.
It's all right.
No, you have to identify yourself.
I've identified myself as a police officer, but I have not made any arrests.
The law.
citations, have I?
The
Have
law
I?
doesn't
Have
say-
I cited you
the
yet?
law
You're free to
doesn't-
go, so
have a
you
good
can
day.
go. Have a good day.
Be safe.
Even when words turned heavy and doubts filled the air, he stayed calm. His answers were clear, his rights remembered. They asked, he explained. They assumed, he stood firm. In the end, he walked away without fear, holding tight to what mattered, his calm, his dignity, and the quiet strength of someone who knew where he stood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.